Hello Space Engineers, Wellington6012 here. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to Escaping the Desert here, well, not on Pertam, above Pertam. Yes, very nice view up here. Yeah, ready to do stuff. Let's get into it. It's very quiet up here, I have to say. The sound is working, we're above the atmosphere, so yeah, that's the atmosphere line there, and we're above it. So with that, we're actually just about running out of oxygen, so I shall remedy that situation. And I'll quickly show you what I've done. Some things off camera, not much at all. But yeah, we'll get into stuff. Glug glug, do that thing, and put you into there. So yeah, look, we're over 50k of steel, and plenty of those things as well. I'm just producing some stuff, a whole lot of stuff in there as well. So yeah, we're in a good spot. There actually is. I'll come back to that. Yeah. So what did I do? I welded up all that. I haven't actually moved this up any further. I did some stuff here, but I can't remember what. Oh, there's a landing gear over there, so that's new. And yeah, okay. So yeah, and I did a little bit of stuff up there, just sorted some things out. So first of all, right, before we get going, I want to, when I say get going, I mean talking about it up there. So what I'm going to do today is get this operational, headed up that way, and then we'll take the platform back down there, and we'll sort of work on probably a bit of a cabin thing here to, like breathe. It's going to be a fairly slow journey up there, I think. And yeah, just a bit of a ramp and stuff down there, so sort of docking thing for it. So that's the plan. Right, first of all, I want to break the tether. Break the tether, yeah. So what I want to do is put in a couple of connectors and break these. So this bottom section, 1.5 k's of it, I can... I'll merge with the base, and that way it'll become a station. And then I'm thinking, like, in about 5 or 10 kilometers, I'll put another break in the tether as well, just so that that'll have to go up one, just to convert it to station as well. And yeah, so it's not all like one grid. Yeah, so I think that's wise, and I've also been told it's wise, so that's what I'm going to do. Landing gear, what are we going to call it? Tether, transition, yeah, and number 1, because there'll be other ones as well. So that's cool, we can take you off there, and it didn't lock, should have locked, but oh well. That's cool, and put one over here, and like that. Fantastic. Okay, need a couple of connectors. Just dump all that in there, shall we? 1, 2 of those. Okay. So that's all. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So 1, 2. Good. So connector, tether, transition number 1. That. We'll lock it. We will do the old select all, copy paste. There we go. Okay, so that's good. Yeah. Okay, so that's fine. We could put... Whoa! Gosh, jump off the edge. Okay, we could... Actually, I might just replace that hydrogen. Might be wise. A couple of merge blocks. 125 PCU. Okay, maybe not merge blocks. Not that it really matters, but... Okay, so that's connected to there, and then these ones are going to be connected to here. So I need to break it up here. Okay, this should work. Fingers, toes, everything else crossed. Yes, it worked. Okay, can we slip these back in? I might just put that one in there like that. Could probably do the same there as well. Actually, what we'll do is just first. So that's a separate grid. Cool. Okay, that's good. Maybe we'll make that one. Yeah. We'll do the same here and do the same there. So if I want to merge them back up, I'm going to have to put a merge block right where that landing gear is. Okay, never mind. Okay, so that's that. That's good. Yeah, so now that this top section should be by itself and the bottom section won't be. Okay, yeah, okay, right, let's go up. So what I did here, and I haven't tested this yet, but I put this sensor on here. And what that one does is will sense the merge block that's not there right now. But it'll sense the merge block when it gets built. Did I put that on the right way? Just double check that after the incident last time. Okay, so that will, as that pushes up through the projection, so up there, it will sense this and set off the timer to continue on. So what that means is that rather than how it is at the moment, it goes from 3 minutes 20 from now. If you stop the pistons, that will not stop the timer. So it just gets the timer activating a little bit closer to the top. So if we want to pause this, we can just turn the pistons off. As long as it's not at the top. Yeah, so that's the thing. Right, so this one here, this starts number 5, so that's actually the one that we want to do. I could have done that from in there. Okay, so, oh, hang on, one of these will be turned off as well. Not that one. That one. Okay, so number 5 will start, and this should work. Fingers crossed. And toes and everything else. Okay, well that worked. That's good. So now we wait. Yeah, okay, so that's... We'll just go up here and wait for this. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's right. I hate that. That was from when I did the time lapse at the end of the... Not the last episode, the one before it, or even the one before that. Just tried to lock onto it with a spectator cam, but actually it jiggled far too much. So I just locked onto the whole grid. Okay, so that's good. We'll just let that do its thing. Yeah. So today, as I say, we'll do some work on the platform and the infrastructure for the platform. So really just finish that off. Then I think next time we'll be building a spaceship. So ion based, which we'll need platinum for, which hopefully I can purchase. Because yes, I've got a little bit there, so I must be able to purchase it. How much money have we got? A reasonable amount. Okay, so we should be able to afford a fair bit. So yeah, so that's going to be a thing, and then basically, so that'll be next episode, and then I would say the episode after that. So what are we today? We're episode 74. So 75 will be building the ship, and then 76 will probably be jumping on the space elevator, going up to space, and escaping the desert. I think the end of the series is nigh. So yeah, we're just about there. It's all been leading up to this, so you know it's yeah, it's good. So yeah, and what comes next, I'll talk about that at the end of the series. But there's stuff happening, so just keep an eye out. It might not be happening, but I think it will be happening. So just keep an ear out. Right. So, and in fact, when this episode publishes, if I don't reply to comments in a timely fashion, then there's a reason. Dum dum dum, secret squirrel. Right, we must be just about there. Okay, so this, it's turned on, that's good. So it should trigger when it hits that that merge block. I hope this works. I think it should. And then we have to drive this down. Things I don't think it's pretty rock solid, the extension, you know, having it on a separate grid now. But untested. Okay, so that's welding those. So those welders didn't do a lot the whole way up until they get to here. Right, yeah. Okay, that triggered 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1000. Okay, that's not going to be 20. That's going to be fine, absolutely fine. Okay, so could I even pull it back a bit? No, I think that's fine. Okay, that's going to go slowly. And ooh, bouncy, bouncy. Just does get a little bit stuck on that grinder, but anyway, it's away now. Okay, all is well. Up it comes. It does really rock it up when, which is good. You know, it's absolutely fine. It's what it's meant to do. That one comes up and you think it's going to go too far, but no, that's as far as it goes. And we're away again. Success! Haha! Fantastic. Okay. Right. Well, we can let that do its thing. Down we go. And that's all locked there. So what we'll do is we will get rid of you. That can go in there, I guess. Okay. Oh gosh, it's a bit windy down there. Seems so nice up here. It's a bit like oh, what's that movie? Oblivion. Where they're up above the clouds and the storms. All right. So, so we're locked. So if I hold the brakes, unlock. Okay, that's good. And then if I take the parking brake off, parking released, and then let go, we might just note we're going up. Okay, we'll reset that. And we're going down. So now I thought the minimum speed would hit maximum speed, but clearly that's not a thing. Okay, we're just going to have to be careful. The other thing is if I'd like put a small parachute on, small grid, that might be sufficient to slow it down a little bit. I wonder if I try that. Oh, it's a bit late now. Thing is, if you leave it, it just does overspool. What if I just raised it a little bit? Get a little bit more. It kind of keeps it under control. And we're just about down, so so that's a thing. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. So, if we We don't even need to park it, we can just lock it. Okay, so that's good. Oh gosh. Stormy. How's those wheels looking? Okay, they're looking pretty good. They're looking good. And they're looking good, so they're all centered. That's awesome. Very good. Okay, well, we need to try and connect this back up now. Okay, could really do with an access sort of point down here. Okay. What was that noise? Okay. That made me very nervous. But that's still going. Okay, that's fine. Right. Makes me nervous, this whole thing. There's things that I don't necessarily want to do. Okay, let's try this. Oh, see? Did you hear that? Okay. So if we go like on the side there. And then okay. So I'm going to turn off the timer. Number one timer again. Off. And we'll just let that get up to its max. Yeah, we'll just let that do its thing, and then I'll have a go at merging this. Yeah, a little way to go. Back in a sec. Right, up that comes. And we're locked. And it hasn't restarted. Fantastic. Okay. Right. Let's go back down here. So, if I was to unlock you... Okay, if I was to unlock you... Now, I have saved also, so... just in case this goes horrendously wrong. Oh, why'd you relock? Oh, you've locked again. Why do you keep locking? Not paying attention. Okay. I don't like this. I think this is going to go wrong. Oh, well, if it's going to go wrong, it's going to go wrong. I'll just reload. Okay. Locked. Oh, I never doubted it for a second. Oh. Okay, so that's good. So you're all attached through there. So what I'll do is get rid of you. You are attached through there, just absolutely triple verifying that's the case. Tell you what I'll do is... No, I won't. I'll just do it. I'll just do it. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I wasn't worried. Oh, gosh.
Inventory full.
Nuts. Okay, we need to change that colour. Yeah, this has been very nervous work. Because there's just such a big thing up there that's going to fall on top of me if things go wrong. Okay, so that's fine. Probably haven't got enough room on my thing to get rid of stuff. Okay, so that's good. You. Good, same on this side. Okay, so that's good. Right. Do I make this a separate grid? Yeah, I think I might. So in order to do that, all I need to do is put I need to get rid of you and put you back in there. So that's now not connected. Do the same here. Maybe I'll get rid of the concrete. It might be easier going from the side. Okay. So that's that. Okay, so now that's not connected. But it's still connected down there because that light's going, so that's good. You are probably connected. Okay, let's just grab that, and then if we go like that, and like that. Okay, so that may... what's the name? Okay, it's still main base. Okay, and we'll lock that. So I think... So we'll get rid of you. Any computers in those? Yes, there are. That's good. Okay, so that's all fine. What I'm going to do is put a thingamabob on here. Let's get back to the right colour. Okay, so that's part of that. Everything else is a separate grid. What one's that? Incomplete. Ooh. Incomplete. Connector. Incomplete. Where are they? Okay, I'm going to have to find those. That's annoying. But that's... oh, hang on. Why are they both... there's one there. Okay, if I just get rid of you. Ow. Where are the incomplete ones? Okay, so that's fine. So that's connector. We'll call it tether base transition. Oh, really? Tether. Okay, transition base. Okay. Do that, that, and that. So that should be that one there. That one there. Okay. Right. Well, where are the other ones? Because that's... Let's just call that temp. Oh, look at that. That's missing... It's lost a grinder. Hang on. Okay. 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 That's an issue. Right. Right. How do we... Oh, no. Oh, I guess I'm going for another drive. Nuts. How did that break? When did that break? Okay. I think I'm going to need to do something about putting a sensor on so that it, when it gets there, it stops. When it gets within range. And then... Yeah, I think so. Because it does stick on that one. Okay, well, looks like we're going up again. Okay. Right, maybe you should leave that with me. Ow! Darn weather. Okay. So, yeah. Up we go again. Go like that. Brakes on. Lock off. And up we go. Yeah, so I'm going to have to fix all that. And, yeah. It may take some time. Okay, so that's just about done. Yeah, okay, so that's reached up there, so give it a few seconds. Okay, so what I did was, I'm back down the bottom, but just in the spectator cam, I put a sensor on, and, oh, it's not going to show up, but it should stop when it gets too close, and then keeps going, and then, yeah, so that's, the sensor on there is hooked up to the same thing as the grinders, and so yeah, when it gets too close, it stops. So a lot cleaner, a lot less jerky. So that's real good. Okay, very quickly. Probably too slow. Okay, I'll let that get going, and I just need to. So I've rejiggled this, got it to a level, and let's grab. Grab the right thing. We want one of them. And a connector. Okay. So pistons. Up, down. We can simply turn them because they're moving very slowly. Yep. So we turn them off. We can then do stuff. What I'm going to do... Now also, that rubbed when I went across the section up there. You know the one I'm talking about? That's not actually connected. Yeah, we want to take this one out first. Is that? Yeah, it is. Yeah, so that was... What am I talking about? Yeah, so I put that in, so it just gives a little bit of freedom to go past. Yeah, because it did actually damage it when it went past. Okay, that's that, and put that in. Oh, I hate doing stuff with this. It's okay, so you're green and you're green. Yeah, I had issues because I didn't have that crossbar in at one point. Right, so now we can get those pistons going again. Piston on. Cool. Okay, so that's good. Maybe I'll just double check that that is fine up there. Ugh. Yep. It's good. It's good. And because the timer, because it's not set by the timer at the start, it's set by the timer at finish, I can just pause it, which is good. The system works. Right, so, where were we? One of them in there. Cool, and we'll call that from up here. We will call that connector a tether base. Cool. Take that off of there, off of there, off of there. Very good. We can lock you. That's cool. Right. It's all kind of coming together. So I had to do a little bit of drilling down here, but that's actually okay. Yep, that's fine. Steel. Like so. Need more steel. Oh, it's just those exhaust pipes I thought for a minute something was on fire, which it was, technically speaking. Steel. Just about out of hydrogen there as well, but that's what you get from flying around and wasting it. Okay, so that's good. That's a thing for that to land on. See how it's a little bit off. That one's hanging over a bit more. So yeah, it does, and that same with that one. So it does sort itself out. Lovely jubblies. Okay, so the ramp is going to go over there somewhere. How am I going to do that? I guess if I went like this, came out, then up, across like that. Okay, so that's where the ramp's going to be. And really, we could have it like that. I mean, I was just wondering about whether we actually have like it's like that. Probably could.
Fuel low.
Or do we just put a concrete edge along? I think a concrete edge. Well, yeah, we could put steel along the edge. Like that. Grab some concrete. Grab a whole lot of steel. Get rid of all that stuff. Some more concrete. So if we went like, yes, it's not quite right, but that's because of the that's just not quite right because of the wheels. Okay, so that's that. Oh, should we have done it in concrete? We probably should have done it in concrete. Because I'm thinking that concrete is only the one texture, but it can be a different colour. Actually, I'm not sure about that. Can you do... let's just have a... Okay, no. No, you can't. So let's stick with the steel for there. Then concrete for the rest. That one there. Like How's the bridge done? Oh, the bridge. Oh gosh, fell down. Okay, so we came out like that. Okay. That'll do. Well, actually, we're probably going to have to continue over that way, but that's fine. We'll cross that bridge. So that's fine. Well, now that I've done it, do I actually just try and make it drop down a bit more? If I went down another couple of blocks, it would probably... probably wouldn't make too much difference. Nah, let's just keep it here. It's fine. It's fine. Just do that. How many blocks it is. Okay, so yeah, you don't really need to see me doing this. Oops. Rolls away. Tell you what, I'll just lay this out and then we'll see how it all goes together. Ow. See, it's funny how it's making that noise. Strange things are afoot. Okay, so bring that all the way across. No, not quite. Okay, so yeah, I'll link that up with maybe a catwalk over there. That could be a thing. Yeah, I'm just looking at this now. Do I actually make it 2 blocks lower? Okay. I think I might drop it down. I'll put some. I mean, we've got time because I mean that's still going. You know, we're up to 3Ks though, so that's all right. Because I think we need to go about 15 or 15K, something like that. Did I put a marker on? I think I did. Yeah, there it is there. It's 18Ks. So yeah, we're a sixth of the way there, which actually, you know, that's not too bad. One thing I will just check is that join, wherever it is, down, just to make sure, because it did flex a little bit initially. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Just need to make sure it's not got any worse. Nah, that's about as bad as it got. So that's cool. Right. Yep, I think I'm just going to do some stuff here. Yeah, I think it needs to go lower. I think it needs to go 2 blocks lower. That should be enough. And that way that would just, I think, line it up a bit better with this. And you could sort of come in here then. Yeah, and I could shave some stuff off here. Done, plan, sorted. Yeah, and even get some drills happening and shave a bit off there or something. I don't think you'd need to actually. You could drive down there, no worries. But yeah, that's just, I just feel like it's too high, especially with those coming down. It needs to be lower. Yeah, I mean, I could even drop it down like 3, maybe. Yeah. All right, leave that with me because I think that will be a tomorrow job because it's getting late. Okay. See you soon. Okay, sit rep. I've done stuff. It's tomorrow. And yeah, I've done the edit up until this point as well, and so I'm just going to give a little bit of a situation report and do one or two things, and then I'm going to pull the pin on today. And yeah, going to continue this on next episode. So I was going to build this area here, but that's going to have to wait. So yeah, this is actually stopped because I've run out of stuff. So I'm producing bits and pieces, but yeah, it's getting back up there now, so that's good. Let me just go into here and then go into F8. So yeah, I was actually paying attention, and yeah, it ran out of stuff. Just as I sort of checked it, yeah, I was watching the numbers of the steel go down. Yeah, so actually what I was going to do was reverse the pistons, turn them on, just see if they get down to there. So that's done there, so hopefully it'll weld that one up, otherwise I'm going for a drive. Yeah, it was only here that I started running out, so that was fine. Yeah, so I'm thinking next episode we'll build that thing, and I'll go and find some platinum from the... Oh, you can just see it when in the peripheral vision. It's over there, but if I turn that way, you can see it. Safe zone, so... Oh, it doesn't reach. That's annoying. It's real annoying. Okay, I guess I'm going for a drive up here. I may even just turn the camera off and cheat and come up and teleport. So, alright, let's go back down here. Just for one block. I mean, ugh. Okay. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another assembler in, and I found a spot for it. But as well as that, if I'm going to put another assembler in, I'm going to have to put some more wind turbines in as well, because that's a thing. Battery. So yeah, they are going down. That's the thing. They're not going down quickly, but they are going down. So I think another couple of those would be good. So yeah, it did indeed lower this 2 blocks, and I'm liking it. I had to replace these blocks because actually when I went up and sort of jiggled it a bit, and it got more centered because it was sticking out quite a bit. It was off center. But yeah, so I had to replace these with those, so that's fine. But yeah, no, it's all good. It's all good. So that's it's just sitting on there, and yeah, everything is awesome. Actually, I could just thinking. No, let's just not think about that. Yeah, so that's, and I put this in. So yeah, it's nice. I'm liking it. So what I'm going to do is, again, or I'll probably do it off camera, but maybe we'll do a montagey thing or something, is I want to just dig a track out. So I'm thinking up here is going to be the best way, so sort of going on a bit of an angle. So I'll have to figure out where that goes using a projection and stuff. So that's cool. Yeah, so that's that. So yeah, I'm thinking more just general building, sorting out, producing for this. We've got time. And yeah, I'll obtain some materials for the... Where am I going? I want to go this way here. I'll obtain some materials for the spaceship, and then we'll do that next episode. So we've still got at least 3 more episodes to go in the series. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the assembler here, I think. So what we could probably do is put a welder in. That would work. So let's get some parts for a welder. Ugh, that took a lot more effort than it needed to. Okay, so now I think we're right. Let's just do that and that. Yep, okay. Turn you on, try not to get burnt. Oh, success. Okay, do that. What? Why? Oh, turned it off, that's why. Okay. Ugh. So now that's producing stuff. Must be what's producing, but anyway. Let's put a couple of things on the back. As soon as I find them. So there's 1, 2. Don't think it's going to get the one on top, but we'll give it a whirl. Nope, it's not. That's right, we can just get some stuff out of there. Do that one. Put that back. Then we'll have to do the same underneath, which, yeah. Okay, so that's, I'll get all that sorted. Up. Okay. Right. Oh, how am I going to get that one in? Very trickily. What's it actually making? Don't get burned, don't get burned. It's making stuff. Assembler 3. Okay, assembler 2. Okay, it's making the same stuff, which is interesting. Okay. So that's fine. Get rid of those and just change it to three. Very good. Okay, I'll grab some things for another speed module, put that underneath. Get my sign out, and that'll be us for today. And yeah, so things to do next time. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get parts. Yeah. All right. Let me sort this out, and yeah, we'll call it a day. Okay, I think I can get in there. So that's doing stuff. That's doing stuff. And that's doing stuff. So yeah, the numbers are getting up again. So that's good. Yep, cool. Okay, so next time, need to get platinum. How's our iron situation looking? Yeah, we're going through it. So we might need to do an iron run as well. So yeah, I think there'll be some things to keep us busy while things are processing. Yeah, power's a thing as well. I mean, I'm just wondering if somebody hadn't stolen the behemoth. Reactor components. So 100 of those. What would we need for 5? So 5 times 90 is 450. How much silver have we got? AG. Yeah, well, we've got plenty, so we could potentially... I did 90 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just wondering whether I make a... I might do that actually. Let's do that. Let's make a reactor, and I'll buy some uranium because I don't think I actually have any, because I can't be bothered building any more wind turbines. I feel like I've got enough. Yeah, we'll need to buy some uranium, but that's okay. We might need a little bit there. Yeah. So, all right. Well, we'll deal with all that next time. Because yeah, that's where we're going to leave it today. Busy old day, or couple of days for me, and yeah, it wasn't actually too bad. But yeah, it's yeah, I just got to try and fit it all in and well, sort of carry on. So yeah, hopefully you can join me again next time when we'll just continue on with the stuff. I will definitely put that shack over there. We'll try and do some supplies, do a bit of shopping, all that sort of carry on. Drill a ramp down to the access ramp. So yeah, so stuff to do, lots to do. So hopefully you can join me again next time. And until next time, as always, stay safe out there, everybody, and have a good one.